The Bionic Trimmer's lightweight and small size takes all the stress and strain out of trimming. It weighs less than a kilogram. And since it's so easy to use, you'll get the whole job done quicker and with a lot less effort. With the Bionic Trimmer, you'll never have trim line problems again. What makes Bionic Trimmer so different? The secret is it uses everyday cable ties instead of specialized trimmer line. No more time wasted messing around with wire spools. Just zip the cable ties into place and get trimming again. Fast. Simply tie them in and you're ready to go. Look, it's so easy. It's quick, simple, and extremely efficient. The Bionic Trimmer has a lightweight telescopic pole that makes it easy for virtually anyone to comfortably operate the trimmer, regardless of their height. Plus, the comfortable ergonomic hand grip requires only one hand to operate, so you'll get the job done easily, fast, and with less strain. The Bionic Trimmer's debris shield lets you use it as a precise edger with a simple twist of the head, while the flower guard allows you to cut right up to the flower beds. It also acts as a bumper bar, a protective shield to prevent damage from rocks, walls, or other solid objects. The lightweight Bionic Trimmer is an incredible cordless, rechargeable, battery-powered gardening tool that lets you get your trimming done quickly, easily, and without worrying about long cords that could get tangled or petrol tanks that need filling. The secret to the Bionic Trimmer is the lithium-ion battery, which harnesses the functionality of a conventional trimmer and miniaturizes it into a battery-powered beast that gives you long-lasting trimming power anywhere. Order your rechargeable, cordless, convenient Bionic Trimmer today.